Welcome to Spruce Science. Today we'll take the SpinSpray 20 kilovolts starter kit from sealed box to spinning nanofibers. Inside the shipping boxes, you'll find the SpinSpray tower, the fixed output 20 kilovolts power module, the syringe pump, a scissor jack collector table, and all accessories. It is compact and perfect for any bench top. Let's put it together. Notice how simple the assembly process is. First, place the syringe pump at the top of the tower. Lock it in place with the 4 screws. The syringe pump gives you stable flow control, critical for stable Taylor cone formation. Next, set the scissor jack table inside the tower. Its screw handle lets you fine-tune the gap between the needle and collector. Lay a piece of the supplied aluminum foil on the jack. Smooth it flat. This is where fibers or droplets will land. Clip the ground wire lead to the collector foil. Proper grounding ensures a stable electric field and keeps you safe. Plug the 12-volt DC into both the syringe pump and the high-voltage module, but keep the HV rocker switch in the off position. Time to verify the output using MeterMate 40 kilovolts high voltage probe. Attach the high voltage probe, then flip the high voltage switch on. The meter reads about 16.3 kilovolts under the probe's load. Because the module is unregulated, the open circuit voltage will sit a bit higher, right around the advertised 20 kilovolts. Let's prove basic function with water. Load 5 milliliters of water into a 10 milliliter syringe, mount it, and position the jack so the needle tip sits above the collector. Prime the pump until droplets form and drip from the needle. No high voltage yet. Focus on getting a steady drip rate. Once the meniscus is consistent, toggle the high voltage switch on. Instantly, the droplets atomize into a fine mist. That's electrospraying, ideal for nanocoatings, catalysts, and drug delivery particles. Notice the stable cone jet and how the spray fans outward. That geometry tells us the field is strong and symmetric. Now for the star of the show, electrospinning. Our solution is 50 weight % polyvinyl pyrrolidone dissolved in 50 weight % ethanol. Replace the water syringe with the PVP mixture. Adjust the collector height from the needle to give the jet room to elongate. With the high voltage off, prime until you see a single glossy droplet. Then, energize the system. Watch as the droplet transforms into continuous white filaments that whips toward the foil. Those filaments are nanofibers, solid, uniform, and collected as a non-woven mat. When the syringe pump comes to a stop, switch the high voltage off. Use the MeterMate 40 kV high voltage probe to verify that it's fully discharged and remove the foil. You'll see a silky layer of PVP fibers. That's the complete SpinSpray journey, from box to functional nanofibers. For more information, visit sprucescience.com. Thanks for watching and spin safely.